Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a favicon or browser icon for your Squarespace website and how you upload it back to Squarespace. So what is the browser icon? If you're guilty of having a million tabs open like me, um, it could be difficult to find what are you looking for. So the first thing that usually catches our attention is this little icon over here. As you can see, this is my website, so I only have a K letter. This is a convert kit as an example. It has this like, I don't know what you call it, like a circle-ish icon. Uh, when you just start a trial for the Squarespace, usually it's going to give you this boring, unpretty uh, black box, which kind of indicates that this website was not optimized. So I'm going to show you how you can create a favicon using a Canva, which you can use, which is a free design software. You can try it today if you're not using it. So you would create a design, and so they say the favicon size is 16 by 16 pixels, but according to the Squarespace, we want to use something in between 100 to 300 pixels. So I'm going to create a custom size, and for the custom size, I'm going to use 100 pixels and create it. Oops, did I? Okay, I created 1,000. So I'm just going to quickly resize it. So usually for the favicon, you would like to create a smaller version of your logo. In today's video, say this is going to be for my website, and I just want to use 2 letters. So I would probably change this to maybe something. Okay, this looks good to me, and I would use like a blue color. Okay. You can also, for the favicon, as you can see in the convert kit, we can use an icon. So how you would do that? You go to elements, and let's say you want book. So you can scroll through the Canva has a very big library of different graphics you can choose from. If you're not paying for the pro version, you want to make sure to click on this adjustments and create a free. You should press free and apply a filter. And okay, this looks good. So if you decided to use an icon, I would not suggest adding any text to it, because browser icons are very tiny and small, and it's just going to look messy and people will not be able to identify what it is actually. So this looks good to me. I don't think it needs anything else. The next thing would be to go and download your file. If you want to download it with a transparent background, you would need to click a PNG, and in Canva, the transparent background is a pro feature. You can try it. You can sign up for the free account and try it for free for 30 days without any, you wouldn't have to pay for it. You can try that, or you can download it as a JPEG with a white background. It's up to you. I have a pro account, so I'm going to download it. So I'm not going to download the KS one. I'm just going to do the page 2 and download it. Okay. Now the next thing, you would go back to your website. Yeah, from this menu, from the main menu, you would go to design and go to browser icon. And here, you would upload it, your favicon, and click save. So this website is not published yet, but this is all the steps you have to take in order to have a browser icon on your website. Once you publish the website, or once I publish this website, it's going to be showing there. And this is it.